So in a small vessel on low flame, firstly I'm adding in some oil. To that I'm adding in tur dal, urad dal, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, few peppercorns, few methi seeds, mustard seeds, and I'm going to give all of this a good mix. Fry for a minute. To this I'm going to add in some turmeric powder, combining well, and I'm going to fry this for another a minute. You can see that they start to turn light brown. That is when I'm breaking in few green chilies, also adding few curry leaves. I'm going to mix all of this well together and saute for about 2 minutes. Make sure not to burn them. Then I'm going to switch off the flame and add in desiccated coconut. You can also add in freshly grated coconut to this. Combine all of this well, and we'll allow this to cool down completely. I'll show you how we need to cut the gooseberries. So slice off all the 4 sides of the gooseberries since there's a seed at the center, and remove the front and the back of the gooseberry and throw that, and also accumulate all the remains of the gooseberry around the seed. And throw the seed away. Now we will cut these bigger chunks into small chunks so that it will help to aid in blending. So I did this same for the rest of the gooseberries, and I keep this aside. Now in a blending jar I'm going to add them, and also the fried mixture. To this I'm going to add in water, and I'm going to blend it into a fine and smooth paste like this. This is how the texture should be, consistency. Okay, keep this aside. Now we'll start cooking. So in a big vessel on low flame, I've added in some oil. Once the oil gets hot, after about 30 seconds, I'm going to add in mustard seeds. They will start to splutter immediately. Adding in a pinch of asafoetida, breaking in few dry red chilies, and adding in a few curry leaves. Now we are going to sort all of this well together for about a minute. Make sure not to burn them. Keep the flame as low itself. Then I'm going to add in the blended paste, giving it a good mix. Now I've added in water to the mixie jar and shaken it well, and added that water into this. Also added salt as per taste. Combined all of this well together, and I'm going to cover this and cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. Stir in intervals. After 15 minutes, this has been boiling very well. Give it a quick mix. And I'll show you how the consistency should look like this. Okay, a little thick but flowy. It's not the consistency of rasam, but it has a texture to it. That is when you turn off the flame and add in chopped coriander leaves, and this is ready to be served. This is best had with hot white rice. It is very high in vitamin C, very good for you, and it's very good for our health. So go and try out this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time.